If you don't like complicated steps but still want to convert XRP to GBP, then follow this simple guide. First, pick a reputable exchange that supports XRP and GBP. Popular choices are Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance. Next, sign up and verify your identity. It's quick but essential for security. Now deposit some GBP into your exchange account. You can do this via bank transfer, debit, or credit card. With GBP in your account, it's time to buy XRP. Choose between market orders for instant buys or limit orders for specific prices. Ready to cash out? Sell your XRP for GBP by placing a sell order, and again, decide between market or limit orders based on your strategy. Finally, withdraw your GBP back to your bank account. Processing times can vary, so keep that in mind. Remember, watch out for exchange fees, use strong security measures, and stay informed about regulations in your area. And there you have it, converting XRP to GBP made simple.